Welcome to my this new YouTube video. My name is Nikhil Jain. Today I will discuss about column design. This is Excel sheet program. In this Excel sheet, various type of column is designed. Like design of short square rectangular column, design of short circular column, design of short eccentrically loaded column, uniaxial bending, design of short eccentrically loaded square column biaxial bending, design of short eccentrically loaded rectangular column biaxial bending, design of slender long column with biaxial bending, design of long slender column with uniaxial bending. In the column design, in yellow cell you have to input the data as per given detail. You have to enter axial factor load, concrete grade of steel, con- concrete concrete grade, steel grade, size of the column, factor moment, and mention two type of reinforcement or four type reinforcement. After enter this data, we will get the area of steel, required. So we have to enter dia of bar used and number of bar used in yellow cell to match the required area of steel. So we can get the provided area of steel to make design okay. Now after design is complete, here some check is given. If this check is okay, then and then only column design is okay and that design is acceptable. If this check is not okay, then change the dia of bar and number of bars. So check is come to okay. After that tie dia and tie spacing is entered as per required spacing. So our design is complete. Thank you for watching this video. You can download this Excel sheet from given link in description below. In the same way, other type of column can also be designed. In the same way, here another Excel sheet program named ductile design of column for multi-story building is prepared. In this Excel sheet also, the data is entered in yellow cell and make design safe and okay. And that area of steel, dia of bar and spacing of tie is acceptable. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my this channel so we can give you new video every time. Thank you.